Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung dryer is running for an unusually long time and clothes are still coming out damp, you're not alone. Extended drying times can occur because of restricted airflow, overloaded loads, clogged filters, or settings that prevent the Samsung dryer from operating efficiently. Even though the appliance may still turn on and complete cycles, poor airflow can dramatically increase drying time. Before assuming that a major component has failed, there are several simple things you can check. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps that may help your Samsung dryer dry clothes faster and more effectively. Try these. Step 1. Clean the lint filter inside the Samsung dryer before starting another cycle. Step 2. Reduce the amount of laundry inside the Samsung dryer if the load is too large. Step 3. Inspect the venting system connected to the Samsung dryer for restrictions. Step 4. Reset the Samsung dryer by disconnecting it from power for several minutes. Step 5. Select an appropriate drying program on the Samsung dryer based on the fabric type. Step 6. Run another cycle on the Samsung dryer and confirm that drying performance has improved.